Hi, I'm Cort and my project partner is Tex. We are fourth year mechanical engineering students that have been working on and developing a mountain bike disc brake cover. This was done under the supervision of Professor Mark Lay. Both mountain bikes and road bikes use disc brakes over conventional rim brakes. This is because disc brakes are far superior in performance. The issue is that when the disc brake is rotating at high revolutions per minute, it acts like a blade. This can cause severe cuts requiring stitches or amputation of fingers in an accident. The aim of the project is to design a guard cover that will fit over the brake rotor. It will reduce potential contact with the rotating disc. It must be lightweight, strong, and aerodynamic so that it may promote cooling over the disc under braking situations. Approximately 50% of amateur riders have sustained injury while mountain biking, and up to 80% of professionals have injured while riding. It was also reported by bicycle mechanics that they sustain injuries while carrying out maintenance on bikes. This product will address these problems and help mitigate the risk of injury from the disc. After carrying out materials research into plastics that can be recycled within New Zealand, both polyethylene terephthalate and polyethylene high density were selected for testing in software simulation. The selection of these materials was based on their mechanical properties, most importantly stiffness and strength. PET was selected as the final choice due to it having better properties and being able to resist deformation and fracture better than that of PEHD.
It was important to determine whether the best solution was to change back to traditional rim brakes. We determined that disc brakes offer superior performance over rim brakes, as well as being more consistent in wet weather and allowing greater flexibility for wheel design for competition bikes. It was also important to determine what similar products exist on the market. Dirt bikes commonly use disc brake covers, which was the inspiration for the cooling hole design. The only guards that have been designed for bikes are yet to reach the consumer market and are still in the prototyping stage. We interviewed bike mechanics to gather their feedback on a disc brake cover and which factors would be important to them when working on the bikes.
Prototyping was limited due to us being unable to produce a model from the polyethylene terephthalate material. Therefore, it was necessary to prototype using the simulation package within SolidWorks. This way, our models could be tested with different materials, and a visualization of how the part would act under an impact helped us to design a more rigid and robust product that will resist deformation.
Overall, the prototypes were largely unchanged through each iteration. The shape and size were adjusted to provide a better clearance over the brake rotor. It was determined that the Velcro mounting method would not be strong enough, and instead the guard was designed to be held on by a hose clamp, which would provide a more secure attachment. Overall, we were able to design a solution that would cover the majority of the brake rotor. We were unable to properly test the prototypes due to COVID lockdowns, but our final prototypes have a good basis for further iteration and testing to reach the final product. In the future, we would also look towards designing a rear disc brake cover to protect riders behind you, as well as protect the rotor from coming into contact with tree roots or rocks while mountain biking. Thank you.